Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Paysafecard. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you just recently received your Paysafecard and you're wondering how do you actually use this one, you might be asking, does this work like a MasterCard or a debit card or a credit card? Well, the simple and direct answer to that is yes, it works like any other card, maybe a debit or credit card, it works the same way. So what you need to do is just choose MasterCard as your preferred payment option on any website you're using. Now, in a physical store, you can employ the card for payments in the same way you would in a regular bank card. Now, if you require additional funds, you can just buy or purchase a Paysafecard code. So you also might be wondering what platforms or what services actually use Paysafecard. So in this case, you could go ahead and use this one on sports betting platforms like Bet365, PokerStars, William Hill, and a lot more. Also for gaming, Neverwinter, Final Fantasy, League of Legends, or even in Steam. So in this case, I'll be giving you an example on how to use it on your Steam. So let's go ahead and close our browser here, go to Steam, and from here at the top right of your screen, go ahead and click on your profile, go to view my wallet, and from here, we want to start adding funds. So let's go ahead and click on add funds. And from here, we should be redirected into the payment method. Now, in this case, we want to pay with a card. So let's just choose MasterCard here. And we just need to provide the following details. So that includes the card number, expiration date, and the security code here. And you also have to provide your billing information. Just hit on continue, and you'll be able to basically proceed with your transaction. Now, same thing with different platforms. You could do the same thing. You just need to provide your card details, and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.